Hi, this is Yolanda Van Veen, and in this segment we're going to talk about natural pigeon control. There's many pigeons in the world today, and there's lots of ways that we can control them. But the easiest way that you can control pigeon population is to take away either their food, their water, or their nesting area. Because if they don't have those three items, then they won't hang out in a certain place. So if there's a park and there's a river, there's no way to control that. But if you have a water feature that they're always into, if you can try to block it off with netting, that will stop them. If there's food, if you're putting bird feeders out and there's lots of pigeons, or if you're in a neighborhood where everyone's feeding the pigeons, by feeding them, you're encouraging the population. So if you can get together and discourage people from feeding them, that helps a lot too. By using spices, too, you can naturally deter them from an area. So by sprinkling down cinnamon or cayenne pepper or black pepper or garlic or curry, anything really spicy from where they're hanging out, or if they're in a certain area, if you just sprinkle it on your deck or your patio, you'll find that they won't congregate there anymore because they don't like the spice and the smell. If they're perching on a ledge or the top of your house, then by putting some string, just put a couple nails down and a string across where they can't sit, then they won't hang out there. So you can deter pigeons in many natural ways, and that way they can still survive, but not in your yard.